Okay, I'm gonna start the stream and let's quickly go and find some music. Okay, there we go. Make the volume lower. There's the playlist.
It's time to bake your M&M's for all fun time. In life.
Okay, just a second, and on here, let me just quickly. Let me quickly change the title and a couple of the settings. Need to choose the game. And there we go, playlist, streams. Okay, let me check my audio. 1, 2, 3. Yeah, it's working. And here is the music. Wait. Wait. And last thing, let's quickly go and find the link. Put it into Discord. Okay, there we go. Perfect. Hey, what's up, Pickle? What's up, Balter? How you doing? So, we're gonna stream today. I haven't been able to do much work today, sadly. Okay. Good, nice. Okay, so remember I had a bunch of cobblestone packages. Like, I've already sold them like almost a week ago, but like I've managed to sell those cobblestone packages for a crazy profit. I bought them for 600, I remember showing you, and sold them for 800 on buff, which is 780 after tax. 180 just for the 3 packages each. It's crazy. RIP Steam wallet. I wrecked my wallet during the Steam sales. Oh yeah. Did the skins, like play skins, drop a lot these days? Hey, what's up, Aliam? What's up, Compojo? What's up? Gok. So, yeah, let's take a look at the Steam market. So, Steam Spring Sale has started recently, so let's see what has been affected. I would say cases probably haven't been. They're actually surprisingly high. Yeah, they've been just rising in price constantly. Okay, that makes sense, but if we look at play skins, let's see what happened. My buff is going so good this week, average 35%. Holy shit, that is really good. And a week, 35%. Okay, let's see. Dust 2 Rio, they're a bunch more expensive. That's really good. That's good news for me because I bought another 500 of these, like 500 Dust 2 packages on buff. Like, when did I buy them? Like, throughout the last week, right? Not longer than a week ago. And I bought them for like €3 on buff, and now they're like rising. That's really good. Thank you, Prix. I made 50% on Dust 2 Rio. Yeah, man, like, it was a pretty easy call to make as an investment, the Rio Dust 2 packages. They've gone up like crazy, and I still have a lot of them. I probably have more than 1,000 now, considering I bought like another 500. Okay, and okay, let's look at the. Actually, Slate is one of those guns in the recent cases, isn't it? Or not? Actually, no. Never mind. It did drop in price, not crazy amounts. So I don't know. I mean, you could get it for €3 on a buy order, which is actually pretty good. It's 10% lower than the sell orders. So I think it might actually be a good idea to buy play skins on Steam right now. They haven't really dropped that much though. RMR Legends 30 cents? What? I mean, it's been already more than 30 cents a while back, but everything is climbing up so much just because there's no new updates. Do you know something about buying skins on Skimport with bots? Because I'm now having problems to get those good deals. I mean, I've been buying on Skimport less and less because like it's hard to get stuff on here. But like I'm sure someone buys pretty much everything. But you can still buy a lot of stuff. Like I see people on Discord buying stuff left and right. Like just being on the live page. I don't know. Maybe it's just more people are sniping it overall, and that makes even more competition. Like you look at the skins coming in quite quickly actually. Rio Capsule dropped a lot too, but still 100% up from the time it discount ended. Yeah, Rio also have kind of shocked the market a little bit. No one expected them to perform this well. This one's triple what it used to be. Yeah, look at that. Actually, Rio nobody expected to perform this well. I kind of did, in the sense that I was thinking that maybe, just maybe, because everyone dislikes them, then nobody's gonna invest into them, and they're gonna perform well. But I wasn't sure enough to actually invest into them, right? The only thing I was really sure about was the Rio Dust 2 packages. That I closed the tab, but yeah, those actually perform well. Okay, enough of that. You're thinking the same? Yeah. You got 10 skins, minus 20%, 29. I mean, I usually get less than that, Balter, so that's pretty good, I think. When coming Source 2? I mean, they did say it's gonna come before the end of March, so we're still waiting. At least the beta. We'll see. Let me just quickly put this tab over here and see what notifications I have on Skimport. Actually nothing good. Just a bunch of skins under €5. Nothing impressive. Do you think a simple Stockholm Holo will rise more in price? I mean, eventually, yeah, but as of right now, let's see. Simple Holo 2021. Is that the one you're talking about? Yes, Stockholm. To be fair, the 2022 looks a lot better, and you can tell that it's a lot more expensive, specifically because it's more rare and it looks more good. But wasn't this one like €8? What? No, it wasn't. Which one was it? I'm so confused. I think the gold. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the gold was that much. But this one definitely can be quite expensive. Like, it's been 80 cents for a long time, and now it's $2.78. I mean, it's hard to justify investing into it right now, considering it went up so much. The market is just crazy overall. Absolutely everything is just out of its place. Nothing should be this expensive, and pretty much anything you bought in the last months is double in price now, which is so weird. Of course, that's not 100% true, but it's so weird. Like, play skins have gone up, cases have gone up, packages, whatever you can think of has gone up, stickers, mostly just Antwerp stickers and Rio stickers, and also Stockholm stickers a little bit. I noticed that those have gone up a lot too. So Copenhagen, Flames, Hollow 2021. Like, I have a lot of these. Copenhagen, did I not write it correctly? Copenhagen, there we go. Copenhagen, I did, but for some reason didn't find it. This one is up a shitload. I bought like 50 of these recently, like 2 weeks ago, and now it's stonked up like 50%. Am I buying Broken Fan cases? I'm buying generally any skins, and yeah, that includes Broken Fan cases. I usually buy them for 93% buff, 92%, depending on what kind of skins it is. Have you seen K's sticker this week? It's insane. K's, let's see. K's, I assume Rio. Also, Pickle, have you seen the price of the stickers that like I bought? It went up a lot, so I think it was a good decision to buy at that time. No, it wasn't in Rio. Okay. Nexa. I think I bought Nexa for you. I'll check it in a second. Sticker. I forgot to sort by CSGO. Let's quickly do that. It's just really slow. Okay's, let's see. One that is gonna be more fluid. This one, Katowice 2019 paper, straight up just skyrocketed from like 70 cents. I feel like this is extremely manipulated, isn't it? Because like there was not one wave, there's a bunch of waves. So how much can you offer for the Broken Fang? 93%? Yeah, I can offer that. I will check on Discord after the stream a little bit later, and then I will be able to respond and do the deal. Not right now. Pretty much all of the case stickers have gone up in price. What happened to him? Did he die or something? There's a lot of people playing these days because they're waiting for Souls 2. Yeah. No, he's playing in Cologne right now, and he's performing really good. Okay. Plus the guy's Chinese. Okay, that makes sense. Which team did he play on? I just can't remember the name of this team. Okay, besides that, wait, I was gonna look at the Nexa Gold Rio. Let's see. Nexa Gold. He played the Vici game. They're not around, probably. I like that he just straight up wrote Sexa. Like, didn't even try to make it look like an N. Like, it's just Sexa. And the sticker is up a lot. Bought it for 30 on buff for you, and now it's 75 on Steam. That's pretty good. Can I do a price check for you? Sure, I can try. Is it, if it's something extremely complicated, probably not. His girlfriend who made the autograph, by the way. Sexa. That is funny. His girlfriend is Honest friend. Okay, let's take a look at buff. Have some items for sale. Surprised they haven't sold actually. Let's sort by price. I do have some Operation Breakout cases. Probably should sort those out real quick. But besides that, I also have these. And also the bit. Bit is one of those that you sent me. And it hasn't sold. How much was I listing it for? 36.84. Let's reprice these real quick. 36.84. So it's not too far down. Just gonna lower by 1 cent from the cheapest guy. Star Trek Asimov M4 Battle Scar for 89 euro, good price. Price on buff is unstable. I mean, I am gonna go to buff just to see what's up. Asimov M4 Battle Scar Star Trek for 89.3. So Battle Scarred and Star Trek. I mean, I would say that it's a easy yes. Let's see. Price trend. It was 97. That's month graph, right? So if you buy it for 89, 97 is a good profit. But the current price, 108, is even better. So like there is no downside to buying it for 89. Like it sells for over 100 stable. The cheapest one that it's sold is 97, and even that is more than 10% profit for you. So like, what is the what is the issue? Like it's easy profit. What's the prettiest $1,000 knife glove combo in your opinion? Phew. I mean, probably. Let's think about it. Like, you're gonna have to go for like hand wraps, skulls, combat skulls, field tested. These ones, and something like Falchion or like Talon Doppler. Talon Doppler, phase 4, 760 plus 400. That's a little over your goal, but it's about that, right? It's a pretty cool combo. Where am I from? I'm from Moldova. Don't forget to smash the like button. Yeah, thank you, Pickle. Hey, what's up, people? Okay, let's continue repricing. So the cobblestone package. People already going lower. Fine. I will put it lower. So that's $49.99. And then this thing, I'm still the cheapest. It's kind of surprising no one's buying it because it's sold quite recently. Like quite often recently. Like, wait, one sold for $5.19. God damn it. One sold on the 16th 2 days ago for the same price. What is the supply situation like? Ooh. Well, he's asking for a low float. And this guy's 523. Okay, 523 is a little too low for me, honestly. I think I'll just keep it at this price because it has sold for this price before, so I'll just keep it here. Plus, it's kind of worth it because like there's nowhere else where you can buy it cheaper. On Steam, it's what, 594 for buy order, but it rarely kind of sells for that. It's not like it sells for much more anyway, but still, it might sell for this much on buff. And the last thing, the graphite, I listed for 156 euro, which is 12 euro more than base price. But thing is, I have 21 plus 11, that's 32 euros in stickers. Listing for 12 euro extra, maybe that's a stretch. Maybe that's a stretch, but it's not too bad. Let's see who I'm competing against. Like, this is me, 156. There's a guy here. This guy got 51 euro. That's actually quite a lot better. Never mind. He's got better flow too. What about this guy? Because previously he wasn't listing, so I couldn't have had that reference. What about this one? 26352. Okay, so there's a lot of options. So probably like 147.99, something like that. If you pay attention. Yes, you can ask me anything. I will answer in English because, yeah, I want everyone to understand what I'm talking about. Have I seen the AK Wild Lotus sold for 160k? Let's take a look. On buff, I assume. AK Wild Lotus. I assume it's factory new, right? It's gotta be. 4 Reason Holocraft. Trade records. 150,000 yuan. That's 20,000 euros. Holy shit. It does look good though. It looks really good. That's 11,000 euro on top. Ain't no way. What? There's no way. The stickers cost less than the overpay. What the hell? Float is 00 though, so I guess that makes the difference. 9,400. So yeah, basically 90% overpay for the stickers. Is that what we're looking at? Yes, that's 90% overpay. Not this. What? It's not this one. There's another one? Question mark. Is there another one? I have a survival knife. I can send the link. Okay, send the link. I have a survival knife slaughter factory new with heart pattern. Can you give me a price for it? Not really, because I'm not that good at pricing extremely rare patterns and stuff like that. I can try my best. Give it a try or something like that. Survival slaughter. Like, the thing with slaughters is that their patterns don't actually get a lot of overpay. Factory new, because the patterns repeat, right? For example, you might have pattern like this guy, pattern 871, but it might be the same as pattern 653 or pattern 434. That's how slaughters work. Like, there's a bunch of duplicates, so patterns aren't actually as rare as they might seem. But I don't really know too much, so don't take my word as a law. But if you can tell me the pattern index, then I can search it up and see if there's any other options. Yeah, send the link through Discord. Thank you, Pickle, for mentioning. What would you say about a high floated Battlescar skeleton crimson knife and well-worn crimson gloves? That's for 900. High floated Battlescar skeleton crimson. I mean, if you like the look, sure. Sounds like something fun. I'm gonna lower mine to this price. $89.99. Okay. You sold your Stockholms yet? Which specifically are you talking about? Like which Stockholms? Like you mean stickers? Like the ones that I made the video about, like 300% growth? If you're talking about that, then yes, I did sell all of them like back in February, even like in the first half of February. I did like rebuy another set of Stockholms like about 4 weeks ago. It's middle of February. And I'm selling them now for like quite a bit of profit because they've risen in price a lot. And I guess I could have held the Stockholms till now and made even more money, but even so I managed to find like lots of opportunities and I put the money to use, and yeah, it's been pretty good. Okay, check Discord. Yes, I will check a second. Where can I sell it for real money? There's a few options. You can sell it to traders like me. I buy skins for real money. You can sell it on marketplaces like Skinport, GamerPay. I have links in the description. You can check, or even Skinflow.gg, which is like a website I partnered with recently. You're able to sell them for PayPal, crypto, and so on. Took a second to load, and you might be able to sell it for PayPal, crypto, because usually websites don't offer these options. So yeah, you can check it out. And also there's affiliate code you can enter in your profile, pricks, and you get 2% extra. But yeah, there's also other websites like DMarket, Skin Baron, Bitskins, and so on. They also are trustworthy. I haven't traded on those websites, so I can't tell as to how good they are, but I know they're decent. Are you interested in my knife? I probably won't overpay anything for the pattern because I really have not seen anything about a hard pattern. As in, like, yes, there is like kind of like interesting looking patterns, but I've never seen them going for like an overpay. If you find someone that wants to buy it for overpay, you can sell it to them, but I probably will not overpay for the pattern. At what point is the inventory too big to use your flipping small inventory strat? Like at how much balance? There is no how much balance, right? It just depends on how much time you have and how good you are at optimizing your processes, because wait, let me just confirm this. Because like if you have 100 euros circulating on your buff account and that's like too much work for you, then that's your rooftop. But if you have 1,000 euros and you still manage to do everything because you've optimized your processes extremely well and you're doing things fast and so on, then you can still do it with that 1,000 euro. And if you're finding like really expensive items to flip and so on, then yeah, you can do that. IDM Ministry. You can also write a message on Discord. That's probably the best option out there, because yeah, you can find the Discord server link in the description, and I should be like online on the server and you can find me that way. Yeah, the point, like the rooftop, just depends on you specifically. There is no specific rooftop, right? Okay. Wait, I need to send an item to a guy. I just remembered, because yesterday he sent me his trade offer and I forgot to... Not forgot, I just had to wait till today to send him the item. This item. Souvenir Night Ops Factory New... Wait, that's not the one. Sticker Polar Bears. Wait, what? So confused. It's gotta be like in here. It's not that one. That's 100%. Wait, that's the game, not the item. Bison. No, let me check. 1 second, because pretty sure it's supposed to have the dream hack. What is it? Oh yeah, it's the dream hack polar barrels. I just thought it was supposed to be like the name dream hack. Yeah, this is the item. Okay, just gonna send it over. Because just need to return because we transferred some buff balance. Okay, I'm done. Okay, let's do something else. How much can I spend? Do I have any cash? Okay, I have a little bit of cash. Maybe I'll go to skin bid. Let's check out what they have currently on. Maybe we find something to bid on, or just to straight up buy. Let's see. I'm gonna go to just added and scroll through these. Like, I could make an offer on this. It's kind of expensive, probably not that worth it, because they are super volatile and it would be kind of risky to buy that. On the other hand, this one could be interesting. Let's see. Rocks Hollow. How much is zone buff? 137. Steam currently is 180. Okay. 135 on buff. 135 multiplied by 0.92. That's 124. I can make an offer. Hey, if they accept, I will be really happy. Wait, that's... Set a custom reserve price for bargains for this listing. Your proposed amount did not reach it. Why does it not say the custom amount if... What? I'm so confused. Isn't it supposed to say the custom amount? How am I supposed to guess the custom amount? Bro, that is a little bit dumb. What do you think is the best way to cash out your skins? Like, as of right now, probably still Skinport. Like, just through like random skins that you can find that are like quite expensive on Skinport, you can still like manage to find lots of skins like that. Like, I don't know what specifically, but if you're able to buy skins over 1,000 euros, that's probably the best option for cashing out, because then they only take 6% instead of 12. Also, I checked Discord. Let me check Discord real quick. Twitter.com. Recent Hall Wild Lows just sold for 150,000 euros. Okay. That is crazy. 4x Reason Hollow. What is the price for Reason Hollow? It doesn't say because it didn't scroll, but this is bonkers. 005. 4 Reason Hollows. I'm pretty sure they're like 60k ish, I want to say. So yeah, this is an insane purchase. Your inventory is worth 10 bucks. Yeah, also on Skinport you can only cash out if you've sold more than 10 bucks. So yeah, if you have only 10 bucks, probably don't sell on Skinport. But yeah. Okay, those are... Oh yeah, I wanted to deal with the Operation Breakout cases. Let's see. I listed them for 388. Currently they are 381. That kind of sucks because I have a lot of these breakout cases. Kind of don't like the fact that they're going down in price right now. How are they looking on Steam? On Steam it's also going down. That's not great. That is not great. Okay, so what do we do? Do we sell them for cheaper or do we wait for them to bounce up in price? Because if nothing changes really, then they're probably gonna bounce up. But at the same time, hasn't there been some CSGO? Some funny stuff going on. Like, look at this. I saw this on Reddit. the CSGO changed their banner, the CSGO Twitter account, changed their banner to 5 dudes, like 5 CSGO dudes. And then speculations begin. Like, what does that mean? Does that mean that there's 5 days left till Source 2? Is that what it means? I mean, if tomorrow they change their Twitter banner to 4 CSGO dudes, I'm pretty sure that's 100% what it means. Otherwise, probably not. Cheapest recent haul is 39,000 on CS deals. Okay. So, 39,000, that's 40,000. 40,000 by 4, that's 160,000. So, still not over 100% overpay. So, yeah. But it's close to being 80-something% overpay, isn't it? Like, 85% overpay? That is crazy. But it's understandable because it's a crazy good, probably unique sticker combo. 5 CSGO dudes are the usual amount for MM. Yes, but that doesn't really say anything, just having 5 dudes, right? People are just looking for something to speculate on. Did you think about leaving CS until it settles after the change? No. I mean, yes, like I've had those thoughts, but I really don't think anything would happen to CSGO skins or anything like that. I understand being afraid that skins are gonna drop in price or something like that, but in that case, that's why I have like liquid skins and so on, and I would be able to sell them quickly. Most likely, unless they're on trade hold, then I can't really sell. Well, technically I can, only on Steam Market, but yeah, I can still sell them technically. There are a lot of people asking about the video about taxes made. If you can also make a new version of this video. No, I'm not going to make another version. Just, I can't help people with their taxes. They have to find a specialist. It's like something that you have to talk to a specialist about. You can just get it from a guy on YouTube. $4.95. Can I make an offer? I think I can. Wait, I didn't want to open the jacks. I thought I opened this knife. I guess I didn't. Does it have offers turned on? No, it doesn't. Okay. So let's take a look at this one. Desert Eagle Blaze Factory New 00 float. What can we offer? 502. That is 00 float. So that's default price 502 multiplied by 0.92 460. Make an offer 460. Is that viable? 460. That's 40 euros difference. Let's make sure through the price trend that it's correct. I mean, it's going all over the place recently. Last month it's up and down a lot, but buying for 460 is not gonna put me in danger, so let's do it. Custom bargain for this listing. Your proposed amount did not reach it. What is the point of enabling bargains if you're gonna limit the options? I'm sorry, but like second time it happens. Thank you, Toxi. I'm thinking about selling everything, and if I stay strong, I would start investing again. Yeah, I mean, that helps you sit in a better spot if something does actually happen. But for me, I am able to make around 10% at least per month. So if nothing happens, then I lose out on at least 10% per month. So it's quite a big amount. If something does happen, I could lose maybe 10, 20, even 30% in the worst case scenario just one time. But then I'm able to make those 10% each month again. So it's not the end of the world. Hey, what's up, Late Vader? What happened to the giveaway you announced? Nothing? It's still going. 24th of March is the due date. like it's still ongoing. Just haven't been able to make any more videos since then. But yeah, it's still ongoing. Okay. Looking at the breakout cases, still thinking what to do about these things. 380, I would have to sell them. I guess it kind of makes sense because I'm still profiting 10% on them, so I'll just take the profit and buy something else. I think that makes sense. 28. So I'm gonna select all of these. Probably should just select all and then deselect the ones I don't need. It's a bit wiser. And there we go. So change price. Plus I'm not lowering them by that much, just 8 cents. I mean it's like 2%, but still. 27.99. Let's double check. Yes, that is the price I'm gonna list for. Okay. There we go. I need to cancel this offer because it's like I tried to buy something and the person didn't deliver. Okay, I repriced. Why did the price not change? I'm confused. Maybe these are, maybe they've been bought or something. Let me check. If I go to sale history, no, they haven't been bought. Just kind of confused why. They're still here. Okay, change price. 27.99. Maybe they just moved places. Okay, yeah. Let's confirm these as well. I'm just gonna sell all of the breakout cases I have because it's quite a bit of money. You should be subscriber too. Like what is that about? Okay, and then do one more time, and I think we ran out of items. I mean, cobblestone, not cobblestone. Breakout cases. Maybe one more page, we'll see. 388, change price. 27.99. Oh, that's, I should put it here. There we go. Ah, yeah, thank you. If you subscribe to my channel, then I'm going to unbox a bunch of CSGO items, as in capsules, DreamHack 2014 that I have stashed, like 9 of them, and 5 2016 MLG Columbus. Maybe on top of that I'll unbox like something like cheaper, like Rio. We'll see, just to fill some gaps in between. I just sold my 261 Antwerp capsules and got my first ever knife. Thanks for the videos and the advice, love you. Hey, I'm glad you've been able to hold those things till now, because I was confident they would actually not go any higher. And kind of glad you went against my advice, because I was wrong about that one. But yeah, I'm happy to help, even though I didn't technically help you with this one. It was all you. So yeah, here's the investment holdings. That's the Sexa that I need to send to Pika. Also, I have like a very cool craft here. Extremely cool, honestly. It's like 40 euros in stickers or something. I don't know. And then I have a bunch of items I bought for other people. Wait, is this the one I'm giving away? I'm pretty sure this is the one I'm giving away. Like Stat Track Field Tested Legion of Anubis. And then I have an Empress. I'm not even sure why I have this Empress here. And a Glock Neo Noir Well Worn. Like, I'm actually confused. Why do I have that? Whatever. I'll figure out later after the stream. But here's the capsules that I'm supposed to unbox. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Yeah, that's 9. And then 5 of these. Thanks, Trigonix. I appreciate it. I feel like nowadays it's so hard to flip. Depends what strategy you're doing, really. Most strategies are fine. Like, what are you doing? Like on Steam? I would say that maybe Steam has been affected a lot more than all the other ones. Okay. I'm not gonna quit, just gonna go to the browser. And I sold some breakout cases. Okay, that's cool. Still have some left. Let's just select. Yeah, they're just changing places, that's why, yeah, okay, that's the remaining of it. 27.99. And also, if you haven't like participated in the giveaway that I announced recently, you should just go watch my latest video, and I have a giveaway there. It's Legion of Anubis field tested structure. Okay, 28th of November, and there we go. What do I think about Source 2? I actually put my, not my thoughts, but like basically explain most important things about Source 2 and kind of my opinion in general in that video. But in short, that's just, it's not gonna do much, right? I think that maybe player base is gonna grow and so on, but that's specifically about the Source 2 beta. But once the actual full Source 2 gets released and introduced into CSGO, like, there's nothing really that is gonna change other than the possibility that it's gonna modify how some things look like. The print stream skins maybe, or the foils, or like some older hollows that aren't actually hollows, like the Fnatic Hollow 2014 and so on. Hey, what's up, Cole? How you doing, man? Haven't died from alcohol intoxication yet? I've been doing literally everywhere, skin port buffs, Steam, etc. I guess, I don't know, like for me, this month has actually been the best month ever, like, ever. I don't know, it's going pretty well. Would you help me with the PC of my op? With PC of my op and AK? Price check. I was confused why you used like PC as in like personal computer. Sure, I can try if it's something not too complicated, right? Because I don't usually deal with skins that have like crazy crafts or anything like that. Best month for playing is so true. Yeah, like this month has been insanely good. Just all around. For investments, for flipping, for everything. You've seen like how Rio has behaved, how Antwerp has behaved. Everything is just going up. I have a lot of Rio hollows and glitters. Do you think I should sell or hold? If it was me, I would sell them because you can always find like other things to flip. But if you're just investing, of course you can just hold them forever. There's no reason for you to sell. Like, you should ask yourself, if you didn't have those Rio hollows, would you buy more right now? And if you would say that no, you wouldn't buy more right now, then you should probably sell them. That sounds like a good thought. Like, if you're not gonna buy more right now, because what's the point of holding them if you wouldn't buy more right now, right? How much did you make this month? Close to, wait, I'm thinking in percentages. I think I've made more than 10% already this month on my entire portfolio, so that's really good. I made a lot this month and haven't even flipped that much. Yeah, like, yeah, this month is just absolutely insane all across the board. That's pretty much it. And February has been good, and January has been good. It's just every month keeps getting better and better, just because of all the hype around Source 2 and so on. Just the market is growing, but there is no like crash or anything like that, because there's really no reason for it so far. Hey, what's up, G5C? I made about €1 profit, but it sounds cooler in percentages, 13%. Yeah, it definitely sounds cooler in percentages. Yeah. 26 Shiro stickers, almost as good as my 20x I got on my patches. You did 26x on your Shiro stickers, what? How is your score investments? G5C. That is kind of interesting. Okay, so let's look at the base fillers real quick and see how they're doing. Okay, so they're about the same price they were like a few days ago, so nothing really changed for these fillers. Bought for 14 cents, sold for $3.4. Cole, you're insane, man. Like, who does that? Who does that, man? Yeah, I still have mine. Technically, the 3K fillers that I have are already 10% up. As a short-term investment, that's already good. But of course, I'm gonna hold them longer. I'm not gonna sell them now. You sold 3,000 capsules. Like, I assume the Rio contender autograph. Is that what you sold? Like the I forgot, the Rocks Hollow sticker. In terms of investments, everything is going great, especially cases. But I've been trying to flip, and it's hard to find items under buff price. That are somewhat liquid. Challenge accepted. I'm gonna find some items that are under buff price. Wait, let's a timer. Let's use a timer. Wait, no, stopwatch. Start. Okay, find items under market price. 380. That's too expensive. 17. 394. Probably not a good idea. This one, 512. Gonna open a buff tab real quick. Minimum wear stat track. I know this is quite a volatile item. Maybe not a great idea. Let's see, 595. There we go, found it. Let me quickly switch the camera. I'm gonna buy this item real quick. 512. Let's quickly enter my card details. Also, the timer should be stopped. It was 30 seconds. Probably less than 30 seconds. Let me just quickly buy this item. Sorry, I don't want to be like mean, but like that was that was a bit quick. Not gonna lie. Like, I'm looking at the price trend to make sure it's good, and it's actually good, right? It's going down in price, but the difference is so big that it makes it good. I'm just gonna probably sell it back to Skimboard within a week. Like, there is no that was a speed run. It was some zips. Teach me some fight. I think that was a pretty good lesson. Zips. Yeah, we just did a speed run on finding an item to flip on Skimboard. 2,000 Rio contenders, 500 Antwerp legends, and 500 Antwerp contenders. I think you chose quite a good time to sell G5C. Like, you did not sell score. Yeah, I guess, because it's quite a good long-term investment, really. Should we do it again? Should we do it again? Let's do it again. Okay, reset. I'm gonna open the tab before I do the challenge. Okay, let's do it again. Start. Okay, no items here. Briefing, that could be good. Pyre, that could be good. Scroll, this could be good. Tranquility could be good. Cerberus. I'm opening too many items. I just need to find one, really. Let's open the market. Briefing, field tested. It doesn't have anything expensive in terms of stickers. Has no good float. 526, 536 on buff. That's a minus. Close the tab. Pyre, Bell's card, 995. That could be a good one because it's quite rare. It's usually liquid, but let's see. 1071. Price trend. All the other ones are 10. Price trend. It sells for 1071 regularly. Trade records. 1073, 1073, 1073. I think we found our item. We go to Google. We stop the watch. 43 seconds. And I'm gonna go buy real quick. Man, like, I think you get the point. Speedrunning finding items on Skipboard. 995 and it's 1070 on buff. Not the extremely best item, but yeah, you sound like you're a stockbroker on Wall Street. I sound like I'm one of those guys on what is it, like Container Wars, Storage Wars, like one of those bid guys. What filter are you using? Discount? Yeah, I'm using filter discount. Okay, let me quickly enable the stream. Okay. But I don't get it. Now you have to wait 7 days to sell it on buff, and the price might get down. No, that's why you're taking a risk. Like that, you're just taking a risk. That's the point, right? You might break even, but because there is the difference in price, it's 1070 on buff. Because there is a space between the price that I paid and the price I plan to sell at. Even though it goes down in price, there is a chance that I'm gonna sell it to break even. That's in worst case scenario usually. It's like I rarely sell skins on a loss. I do sometimes, but rarely. Usually it's a profit. Okay, let's close everything. 43 seconds, I think that's pretty good. Price just crossed the MACD price, but there's all my shares to ask. Okay, wanna do it again? Let's do it again. This time I'm gonna use a different filter. Let's not different filter, different price filter. I'm just gonna go here, open this one. Okay, reset, start. Okay, let's see. Oh, there's one, there's two. They're gone. These are like fresh items that. Oh wait, what the fuck is going on? Oh, I put a timer by accident. Stop. Reset. Let's start over because my freaking timer went off. These are all new items, so they're all instantly gone. This one's here though. 517, field tested, 25% discount. That's probably instantly good. Let's see. Field tested, not factory new. 564, 517. Price trend. It is not good. Last week it went up a lot. I'm not gonna be buying this. Drop it. There we go. Close this. Let's see. Briefing is already bad. 22%. These might be good. Any good float? No good float. Maybe skip a bit of items. Let's see again. 182 minimum wear. This could be good. What does it sell for? Normally has not sold on Skimport yet. No good float, no good stickers. 189, not good. Let's drop it. 218, probably not good. 106 is a sticker, but no, we'll drop it. Looking for good floats. Usually that would be an indicator of profit. There's a bunch of cases, nothing good. Let's see. Come on, enough cases. God damn it, who's selling so many cases? Okay, I'm gonna have to use different filters because like there's way too many cases. 6 euros minimum. I think for now I'm out of items, as it seems. This one definitely not good. All the other ones, no good floats, no good stickers. Can't seem to find anything. I mean, eventually I'm gonna find something, right? It's just a matter of time, but quickly, probably not. Bro, it's still there. What are you doing? What happened? Is that a wing diffuser with 30% you skipped over? It's not actually... Right, it's not actually good, right? It's just mispriced on Skimport. Like, that happens a lot. If something like this was actually profitable, it would be gone instantly. Like, that's the wrong item. It would be gone instantly if it actually was down 25% off. See, 418 on buff. It's not actually good. I just know. I didn't even consider it for purchase because I know it's not gonna be good. Right? But if you just continue looking at floats and so on, you might find something. Let's see. This might be good. Okay. Brightwater 07. Okay, that might be good. Probably not, but we'll see. What type of percent are you looking for? Like profit? Doesn't matter what percent you're looking for. If it's profitable to flip onto buff or onto any other platform, it's still good. Doesn't matter what percentage it has. Even if it has no discount, like if it has a freaking I buy Power Hollow in it and it has only like 1% discount, I'm still buying it, right? Doesn't matter what discount it has. It have a low float or something like that. Like this one's 616 and I might be able to sell it for like 770 on Skimport. And if you sell it for 770, multiply 0.88, that's 677 after tax, and that's 60 cents profit. 10%? I think I'll take it. Camera. Do we count this as a find? It was 4 minutes. 4 minutes. I mean, not the fastest, but still good. But don't you need to subtract the fee on buff when selling? I mean, yes, but if it's bigger than 2.5%, then you're already in profit because the fee on buff is 2.5%. Like, I don't bother about it because the buff fee is so tiny. Like, it's just almost non-existent, really. You should do a competition against Neon again. Yeah, I can try. In that specific competition, like, I believe I might find some good items, but like, he did find like some really good items there. Like, it's quite difficult, but yeah, it does. It was kind of fun, not gonna lie. If Source 2 comes within the next 7 days and they release an operation, isn't a big risk that everything crashes and you end up on a loss? Not really, because specifically play skins and agents are going to crash if an operation were to come. And do I have a lot of play skins and agents? I do still have a lot of those, but in a week I should have extremely small amount, right? I'm already selling them off quickly, and I don't believe that I'm gonna have a lot of those at that time. Like, I'm currently buying stickers, things that aren't as easily dropped in price when an operation comes, so yeah. Hey, what's up, Serki? How you doing? I always look for around 20% to be safe because I've been burnt many times when prices suddenly went down. Bucky, makes sense. If you have like a small inventory, that's the best thing you can do for yourself, right? I just have quite a lot of capital to be working with, so I don't really get to choose what I'm buying. I just buy everything I can. Like, for example, let's see this one. It's probably not good, but let's see. It's probably matching base price. Let's see if the low float actually matters here. Probably not, because I see the factory news 126. And yeah, it doesn't matter that it's low float. It's not a good item. Sold a bunch more Operation Breakout cases. Let me just quickly go and deliver like 30 items. I was watching his streams lately. The guy is a genius negotiator. Really? Like, can you give me an example of what he did? I'm gonna put the minimum 4 euros because I'm tired of these breakout cases. Let's see. Any good floats? Any good floats? Of course, there's a bunch of breakout cases for 4 euros. Why wouldn't that be? Even if they don't sell, people just list them for 4 euros. Let me just quickly confirm these. Because some people bought some skins from me. Apparently someone on a team with the same profile picture as Cole. Okay, and last one, there we go. I'm gonna check this Death by Kitty because sometimes these can be good. Minimal wear, let's see. Sticker not impressive, 43.85, not good. And this one's probably not good either. How do you get buff balance? How do I get it? I just buy skins from third-party marketplaces, then I sell them on buff. Like for example from Skimport and so on. That's mainly how I do it. He was negotiating a guy for his skins with old stickers like Cat for 4 knives, and he wasn't so easy on the guy. Okay. As in, like, did he get a big discount? Is that what you mean? And how big was the discount? Any tips how I can make my trading legal in Latvia? Not really. As in, I mean, yes, of course, go to a financial advisor, Gramat Vedibas, and so on, and you can discuss with them how you can manage it. Okay, I don't see any more good items. It's a blaze, but I don't think it's good. Once I bought a souvenir minimal wear blaze, I forgot that blazes only exist in factory new and a little bit of minimal wear. So it was a dumb purchase. I paid quite a bit for it, and it had a rare sticker, and I lost like 20% on the skin in total. 39 cases someone brought from me. I recommend you check Price Empire since it will do all the checking price for items. I do my price checkings manually because I just learned to trust my ability to price check like average skins quite well. So I don't know if I would trust like Price Empire to price skins necessarily, because like machines aren't the best at pricing CSGO skins, you know that? Like, it's just, there's so many factors. Like, maybe sometimes just a skin goes up in price for no reason during one day, and it doesn't mean that a skin is actually worth that much. You have to go by like what it was yesterday and so on. But maybe there was like an update that makes that skin actually more valuable now, and in turn, like, even though it went up in price only today, then it's still like a good item. So there's a lot of factors really. Hey, what's up, operator? How you doing? Unpopular take: using buff app is way easier and better than the website. Yeah, not necessarily. For some things, yeah, like bulk buying, which is not even an option online, like on the website, of course, but some things are easier to do in the browser, like, for example, looking for items to buy, put buy orders and so on, because you can open tabs and stuff like that. You don't have to go back every time. That's much easier. Or like listing a lot of items for sale. Oh, that's also easier in the browser and so on. Do you think flipping Rust skins is viable? Profit margin is often very high on them. Yeah, that's something I used to do, you know, like when I was training on Steam, and I still checked it a bunch of times throughout the times, and it still seemed pretty good the few times I checked. Back after a big break from CSGO stuff. Hope they're gonna release new operation this year. I hope so too. People think it's gonna come with like Source 2 at the same time, which is really no way to tell at this point. Of course, I am afraid one would come and I need to like manage my inventory to fit for an operation to come without like dropping my skins in price and so on, because like the more we go without an operation, the harder some items are gonna crash when the operation eventually comes, like agents and so on. So yeah, I'm trying to be wary of that stuff. I'm just scrolling down trying to find something, but it just seems that nothing is good here. Do you want gamer pay offers? No, not right now. I don't have balance to fill. On the app, I can just keep refreshing the new items page. Flip on the toilet. I guess, Cole, I guess. The M44 Spider Lily well worn has quite a difference between buff and skin port. Should I buy one? I mean, yeah, like there is plenty of items like that that can be bought on buff and sold on skin port. I think Source 2 beta will release I don't know if they're gonna release full Source 2 before the Paris Major. Probably not. Like, let's be honest, because pros need some time to like train and so on. I feel like the full update is gonna be out after the major. Yeah. And I don't know. I feel like Source will be first operation month or two afterwards to kind of keep the hype going. Maybe. We'll see. They're probably gonna release CS2 better first than an operation, like when it goes live or something. Yeah, that's also what I think, but yeah, we'll see, I guess. Do you not use a gamer pay? I do use gamer pay, just right now I don't have any balance. Bucky, be careful with well-worn. Yeah, sometimes you have to be careful with well-worn, but if the price isn't like inflated for no reason, then it could be a good option, because there's plenty of well-worn skins you could trade on Skimport, like well-worn Star Trek P90 Asimov. I'm sure it's not too hard to sell like other ones. Do you know the price rise on Stockholm items? I can't believe how much I made. Yeah, I have bought a bunch of Stockholm stickers like a month ago, selling them now again. Like, I had that big batch in January that I sold in beginning of February, but then I bought a few more once the price dropped a little bit. So yeah, I'm also selling some of them for a profit. O Nation Hollow 1230. What are you smoking? What is this? 1230. Are you okay? Like, how? What? Why is it so expensive? It used to be 630 before it went on discount. Can you imagine that? If you bought like 1,000 of these before it went on discount, you would still double that money. It's insane. Like, shit like that rarely happens. It just shows how underinvested it was. It's pretty dumb. Yeah, of course. Sometimes the well-worns are so much more expensive, like almost as expensive as factory new, which is weird, and people still pay that amount. The strongest point of Neon's trading is the amount of people who are interested in his items, I guess, because he has a lot of cool items, right? I don't really go by how cool items are, I just go by how profitable they are. I made 30% on 3 cobblestone packages just because I was able to get them for a cheap price, but I didn't get them because they are cool and so on. I didn't expect Rio to perform like this. No one did. That's why they are performing so well, because no one did expect it. Capsules were bought at $0.7. I know, 3.5. You can know if it have highly invested since people can hide them in storage. I see a lot of script bots these days with a lot of storages. I mean, yeah, like there's plenty of investors that just buy like 10,000 of each capsule and just hold it for years and years, hoping they're gonna reach like the price of Katowice 2014 and then sell them for like $2,000 a piece. That definitely exists, but it doesn't undermine how much it grew already. Yeah, like the Stockholms have risen crazy amounts. The one with the mouse sticker, especially, and the rocks capsule from Antwerp is just bonkers. I managed to sell one rocks hollow for €180 cash. That's a bit dumb. I'm still looking at these skins. There's nothing really. Nothing good. Someone posted a bunch of minus 33%. That is surprising, because that's really profitable. Look at this one. Minus 33%, and it has stickers. This is really good. Whoever got this is probably crying of happiness right now, because that's a 650 and you sell normally for like 950, and plus the stickers, that's a €11 sticker, €11 gun right here, and it's plus €6 instantly almost. The bots got them, I guess. Been looking into blue laminates with Kato 14, not hollow, and they all seem so cheap, like 3-5% sticker price. Yeah, like they probably aren't even worth that 3-5%. Like usually Kato crafts 2014 on an old gun, like that one, like the blue laminate. They are usually extremely cheap. Like, you know, I have this red frag cam, which is normally a €1 skin. I'm selling for 400 with a 100,000 euro sticker on it. If you take into account that there's like 400 euro worth of overpay and you divide it by 100,000, that's 0.4% overpay. That's like nothing, right? You have to take into account that these skins don't necessarily get that much overpay. Like, yes, I have a cheaper skin than yours, but still, I'm only asking for 0.4% overpay, and people still haven't bought it for like a month. Like, I have 7 followers and 160 views on this item. That's like more than it's a lot more than any skins I have. According to his inventory plugin, Neon reached a 100,000 inventory last week, and he was celebrating under the number, although it's more valuable because of floats patterns. That is really cool. Like, yeah, I'm really happy to see him doing well. I want to get to 100k too. Hopefully that's gonna happen one day. It's gonna be a lot of work and quite a lot of managing and flipping and so on, but hopefully I can get there. But yeah, is snake bite case a good investment? Isn't it still droppable in game? CSGO, not stash, but database.com. Pretty sure it's still droppable in game. Yeah, snakebite is still droppable in game, but I do believe it is a good investment because next case that is gonna get removed from the active drop pool is probably snakebite. Even though fracture is older, snakebite looks to be more promising because the revolution case has the exact same gloves. So it kind of doesn't make too much sense to have them it doesn't make too much sense to have two of the same cases with the same gloves for too long. So yeah, I think snakebite is next. But when is that gonna happen? Probably after the next operation. And if we get an operation like June, the snakebite is probably gonna get removed with the next case after that. So that could be like October, September next year. No, not next year, this year. It's already 2023, goddamn. Yeah, that's when I think is probably gonna happen. But yeah, I am going to slowly tune out of the stream. Thank you for tuning in. I will try to make some more videos. If you haven't seen this video and you haven't participated in the giveaway, because it's still ongoing, you can go do so. You have time till 24th of March. That's when I'm gonna roll it and make another video to conclude the giveaway. But yeah, till then, good luck to your trading. I'm gonna try to flip my skins because I have quite a bit of work to do. But yeah, wait, can I sell my M4 for the coalition for $85, bought for $75 with 14 liquid host? I mean, depends where you sell it. Like on Skimport, you might get more for your craft than on Buff. Sometimes that happens, but it's not super easy to sell it though. But otherwise, Buff is a pretty good place to sell. And yeah, thank you for joining the stream, and have a good evening today. I'll see you later. Bye bye.